Now, the West Indies under-19s put themselves in with a great chance of advancing to the Super 6 stage of the World Cup in South Africa, following a five-wicket win over Scotland on Wednesday in Potchefstroom. Antiguan Joel Andrew and Guyanese Azad Thorne were the main architects of the win.
For consecutive games, the young West Indians inserted the opposition in a bid to chase a target. However, for a large portion of the early exchanges, the decision looked like the wrong one, with the Scottish openers flourishing. Jamie Dunk and Ali Hedge kept the men from the Caribbean at bay for 22 overs before the dependable Nathan Seeley found the opening at 89 for 1. Ronico Smith, who replaced Jamaican Deshaun James, then removed Dunk for a top score of 57 at 119 for 2. From there, their opponents to 205 for 9. Jamaican Adrian Weir failed in consecutive innings as he departed for 7 at 22 for 1 in the 5th over. Of the opening match were resurrected, but Jamaican Jordan Johnson and Guyanese Mavendra Dindyal eased the tension with a 45-run 4th wicket stand to leave the 2016 champions in a spot of bother. But the man for the crisis so far has been Antiguan Joel Andrew. Following his splendid opening day century, the right-hander carved his way to a half-century. Now a regional jewel, Andrew struck 8 fours and shared in an unbroken 95-run 6th wicket stand with Nathan Edward, who made 27. Man of the match Andrew finished with 64 from 60 balls to steer the West Indies to victory at 206 for 5 with 89 balls to spare.
It was a great knock. I want to thank everyone for coming out and supporting us, and it really drove me to get over the line. Just all about learning and keep improving and ticking all the boxes that the coaches have for us.
The West Indies leapfrogged South Africa into second place on net run rate and will be in action against England on Friday at the same venue. The top 3 teams from the group advance to the Super 6 stage.